Today I want to talk about a delicious and nutritious breakfast option, high-protein pancakes. As a future doctor, I have 5 more months to study, but as a future doctor, I always encourage my friends and family to include protein in their meals, especially at breakfast, to kickstart their day full of energy and to help them feel fuller for longer. So let's get started. I will show you exactly what are the ingredients. I don't have every ingredient right now, but I will go to the store. So I have a store, a non-stop store nearby, so you will go with me and it will take around 10 seconds. So what are the ingredients? I listed here all the ingredients you need. Some of them are optional. For example, the banana and the vanilla extract are optional, but I don't have a banana. I went to the store and they didn't have bananas, so yeah. So 2 eggs, 1 scoop of protein powder, about 30 grams, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of cinnamon, I don't have cinnamon, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional of course, and non-sticky cooking spray. I went to the store for that because I had everything else. So let's get cooking. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl. Then you're supposed to blend it. If you don't have a blender, use a fork like I did. Then add the protein powder, baking soda, the vanilla extract, and mix them together. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Pour around 1/4 of a batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook until the edges start to look crisp and brown and bubbles form on the surface of the pancake. Then flip and cook for a minute or 2 the other side. And there you have it. High protein breakfast that is really easy to make and is packed with nutrition. It's not only a great source of protein, but they also contain fiber from the banana, if you put the banana, and healthy fats from the eggs. Plus, you can customize them however you want. You can add some more calories, some chocolate, some, I don't know, Oreos. It's all up to your imagination here. You can put berries, nuts, syrup, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, maybe comment down below, something nice, a compliment, I don't know, you decide. Share this video with your friends, and definitely try to make these pancakes. They are delicious. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bon appetit, my friends.